Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use JIBB Workspace with a document camera. Now you can use it with an A4, but depending on your setup, if the camera is close to where your surface is, it's better to use like an A5 or something like that. So I just head to the control panel here at the right corner and I select my surface, which is paper. I'll select my input, which is webcam, and then I can update the list and choose my document camera here. And then I just click start, and what it's going to do is it's going to auto detect the surface, and then I can just start writing like so, and it's going to detect that, and I can come here, brainstorm, write some things down. Obviously I'm writing something a bit random for the purpose of this demo, and then once your meeting is done you can click stop, and then it's going to send you an email of what you've been doing over the course of the session of a PDF, and that's popped up here, and then just go into it, and there you go. That's how you use JIBB Workspace with a document camera. Thank you for watching and happy sketching.